I have to push in the clutch and turn the key on. There. You hear that? That's my old school clunk clunker. Yeah, this is electric fuel pump on the frame rail because it's a fuel injected engine block. And then that's got to turn on. Okay. Yeah, that's the fuel pumpage, and it's a 7-pounder, so I got a fuel regulator at 2.5 pounds set right now because whoever's like 2.5. Yep. Now let's hit this fucking race car start button here, and if it goes, or just see if it wants to pop. Look at that shit. There ain't no computer freaking controlled engine gonna start any faster than that cold. And now, oh, that bitch had to turn on again. I don't know why. The tick's still there. Can you hear that? Not the exhaust, tick. But it's not a tick. Here, if anybody knows what the hell this sound is, what's causing it, it's not an exhaust leak. Yeah. Hear it? Any old Ford School 300 cubic inch 4.9, even this was a fuel injected engine. That ticket is coming from the top end, and I adjusted all the hydraulic valves and set everything, and now look, it goes up and it goes away, and then it switches. I'm just wondering if that ain't the springs collapsing or clicking or something, because it's got factory valve springs in it, and instead of a 1/4 inch lift, it's like 440. Some idiot's putting it. Hear it? There's the exhaust leak, but that sounds right up in the top. Okay? And then you run it, it goes away. You hit it, there's that clatter. Anybody that's heard that sound exactly knows what it is, tell me please. Thank you.